Get ready, start. You can now type the entire alphabet full stop. While you are typing, comma, think about the letter combinations that form words full stop. Typing words and continuous prose is the best kind of practice, comma, and all kinds of material can be typed for practice. Full stop. The more you use the typewriter, comma, the better your speed will be. Full stop. Try to concentrate on each letter as you type. Full stop. Margins can be quickly and easily set before you start typing. Full stop. Determine the desired width of the margins and set them accordingly. Full stop. All typewriters are either Pica or Elite. Full stop. It is easy to tell by measuring the width of the paper against the margin scale, or you typing 10 or 12 characters and then using a ruler to measure an inch of type. Full stop. Para. If you have time each day to do a little typing, comma, you will find that your skill improves. Full stop. The more typing you do, the more proficient you become. Full stop. Using the correct technique and reaches to teach key will aid your development. Full stop. This will also help you become more familiar with the machine. Full stop. Try for accuracy when you are just beginning. Full stop. Try to develop speed by typing a little more each time you try a speed test. Full stop. If on the first test you finished just the first paragraph, comma, try to start the next paragraph on the second speed test. Try to finish one more line, full stop, when typing a paragraph, comma, use double line spacing and indent the first line 5 spaces to indicate the beginning of a paragraph, full stop. Double spaced paragraphs are appropriate for rough draft, full stop, comma, manuscript copy, comma, term papers, comma, and reports, comma, use your tab control to set the tab for the first line of a paragraph, full stop. To set a tab, comma, return the carriage to the left margin, comma, space 5 times on the space bar, comma, press the set key, full stop, to check that the tab has been set, comma, return the carriage and press the tab key, full stop, para, to indent the first line of each new paragraph, comma, press the tab key, full stop. The carriage will automatically indent to the correct position, full stop. If, comma, however, comma, you find the carriage has stopped before the fifth space, comma, just press the clear key and the former tab that will be erased, full stop. Return the carriage again and press the tab key or tab bar, full stop. You are now ready to start typing the paragraph. Sometimes you might find that your right hand floats away from the guide key position more than you would like it to, full stop. Try to get the feel of the keyboard, full stop. Your right and left index fingers. Each type 2 keys per horizontal row. Full stop. There should be a 2 key space between your index fingers. Full stop. The more typing you do, comma, the more natural this position will seem. Full stop. You will know as soon as you make mistake, comma, and this is good. Full stop. When you have developed that ability, comma, you are progressing. Full stop. Concentrate on each letter and try to type as accurately as you can. Full stop. Everyone make mistakes. Full stop. Don't be too critical over a few mistakes. Full stop. Your accuracy will increase as your ability improves. Full stop. Here are a few suggestions that may help you reduce your typing errors. Full stop. First, comma, just be certain that your fingers are in proper typing position, comma, and then keep them in that position by learning to keep your hands quiet. Full stop. Second, comma, start typing at a lazy, comma, well controlled pace and gradually increase your speed as you begin to relax, comma. Next, keep your eyes on the copy to be typed. Full stop. Concentrate on every word. Full stop. There are many ways to correct typing errors. Full stop. One quick way is to use correction tape. Full stop. Another easy solution is to use correction fluid. Full stop. This is a liquid substance that you can use to paint over a mistake. Stop. Full stop.